Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something super practical, how you can quickly spot a fake shopping website before you even think about clicking buy.
Exactly. The goal here isn't just that feeling of, oh, this seems too good to be true. We want to give you a really solid, actionable checklist. Spot the signals, save your money.
Okay, let's unpack that. Where do we start? Maybe with the most basic question. Is this even a real brand we're looking at?
That's the foundation. First, big test. External presence. Does this company actually exist beyond this one website? Like if you search for them on Google or Instagram, maybe YouTube, and you find absolutely nothing, just radio silence, that's a massive warning sign right away.
Yeah.
No history, no interaction.
That makes sense. A real business wants to be found, right?
Yeah.
So that lack of external proof is a huge quick check. And if they're hiding online, they probably don't want you finding legal details either.
Precisely. So you scroll down, look at the footer, the
Yeah.
fine print. Are there actual terms of service? A privacy policy? A company name? Maybe even an address? If that stuff is missing or it looks really vague and generic, they're hiding.
Right. Or it's just lorem ipsum text.
Huh? Yeah, sometimes. And another quick check, just try visiting the site on your phone. A lot of these scam operations, they don't bother optimizing. The site might look broken or just act really glitchy on mobile.
Oh, interesting. A simple tech check. Okay, so let's say it passes that initial identity sniff test. What's next? The actual products, visuals, pricing. That seems like a weak spot for fakes.
Definitely. This is where they often fall apart. You need to look closely at the product images. Zoom right in.
What am I looking for?
Things like missing brand tags where they should be, or
Understood.
if the images look really generic, maybe low quality. Sometimes they're clearly stock photos that don't show specific details, like the fabric texture or real color options.
Okay, stolen or generic images. And what about the price tags themselves?
Yeah, the pricing structure is a huge tell. Be wary of really weirdly consistent low prices, like everything is $19.99 or $49.99.
Oh, like no variation at all.
Exactly. When the deals look that uniform and that cheap across the board, it's almost certainly just fake listings. They're not running a real business model. They just want quick payments.
That pattern is a dead giveaway. And tied to that, probably, are the delivery promises, right? Wild claims about shipping.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
If some unknown brand is promising, worldwide delivery in 2 days, but they give zero details about how, no mention of specific couriers or warehouse locations, be very skeptical, especially if it's not a big name you already recognize.
Makes sense. Logistics are complex. Okay, so identity, visuals, pricing, logistics. What about the actual buying part, the checkout?
Critical stage. This is where you need to be hyper alert. If you add something to your cart and suddenly there's intense pressure to pay now, or worse, you get redirected to some weird, unfamiliar payment page.
Abort mission.
Yes, just close the tab. And always, always look for that little padlock icon in your browser's address bar in the HTTPS. If the connection isn't secure, do not enter any payment details, period.
Secure connection is non-negotiable. Got it. So last piece of the puzzle. What about reviews? Social proof.
Right, but here's the key thing. You absolutely cannot trust the reviews posted on the scam site itself. That's just marketing fluff they wrote.
Okay, so ignore their testimonials page.
Completely. You need to look for real customer feedback elsewhere. Search for the brand name plus reviews on Google. Look for unboxing videos on YouTube. Check forums like Reddit or sites like Trustpilot. Are actual people talking about their experience, posting their own photos?
Real people, real proof outside their bubble.
Exactly. Fake sites might have tons of glowing 5-star reviews on their own page, but they're often repetitive, overly enthusiastic, and there's zero evidence of a real customer anywhere else.
So bringing this all together for you listening, this isn't about being scared to shop online. It's about having this quick mental checklist. Slow down for a second. Run through these checks. Does the brand exist outside its site? Are the visuals and pricing realistic? Is the checkout secure? Are real people talking about it?
That's the core idea. Always verify beyond their own domain. If that amazing deal seems too good to be true, it's almost guaranteed to fail one of these basic checks. It forces you to pause and think.
And here's one final thing to think about, something our research highlighted. Do a quick domain lookup. Tools online let you see when a website was registered.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
If that slick-looking website selling amazing deals was just created like 3 weeks ago, and it has zero external reviews or history, doesn't matter how professional it looks, it's fundamentally untrustworthy. So next time you see that unbelievable sale, just ask yourself, how long has this place actually been around?